Hi, I'm Tracy Prentice of Montague, Massachusetts, and I'm going to show you how to add columns to a Word 2007 document. The columns feature in Word allows you to have your text flow down one side of the page and then down the next, as though you're reading a newspaper. When you want to add columns to a document, you need to select the text which you wish to have appear in columns, otherwise your entire document will end up in columns. Once you have selected the text that you want to be in columns, you need to go to your ribbon and activate the Page Layout tab by clicking on it. In the Page Setup group, you will find a drop-down list for columns. Click on Columns and choose the number of columns you would like your text to be arranged in. When you make your selection, your text will be in columns, and Word will automatically create something called a section in your document so that only that area is in columns. You may repeat this as many places in your document as you wish to have columns by selecting the area that you want to be in columns, going to your Columns drop-down, and choosing the number of columns you would like to appear. If the space between the columns is too wide for your purposes, go back to the Columns button and choose More Columns. This brings up a dialog box that allows you to adjust the spacing, which is the amount of blank space on the page between the columns. If you reduce it, you can fit more text in your columns and make the whole thing a little tighter. And that is how to make columns in Microsoft Word.